Pranam dear students. In last session we had learned about adding and subtracting of like fraction. Now in this session we are going to learn about adding and subtracting unlike fraction. Now we all know what are unlike fraction. For example, 3 by 7 and suppose 4 by 5. These both are unlike fraction. When we add it, let us see how to add it. 3 by 7 plus 4 upon 5. Now when we add it, we know that addition of fraction is only possible if they are like fraction, means if their denominator is same, then only addition of fraction is possible. Now here it is 7 and here it is 5. Denominator 3 by 7 is 7, denominator of 4 by 5 is 5. They both are not same, so we have to make it same, and to make it same we need to find out LCM, that is LCM of 7 and 5 is equal to 35. LCM of 7 and 5 is equal to 35. Now therefore 3 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7 into, here we have to bring 35, then only these both will same, so 35, then it will be multiplied by 5, so here also it will be multiplied by 5, so 3 5 is 15, 7 5 is 35. In the same way 4 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5, multiply we have to something, so that it will become here 35, so it will become multiplied by 7 upon 7, so 4 7 is 28. Now (3 by 7 plus 4 by 5 is equal to 3 by 7 is here our 15 by 35 plus 4 by 5 is 28 upon 35. Now this will be equal to 15 plus 28 upon 35, which is equal to 15 plus 28 upon 35, which is equal to this 43 upon 35. 43 upon 35. So in this way we can add unlike fraction. To add unlike fraction, first we have to convert them into like by equivalent fraction. By the method of equivalent fraction, first we will convert into like fraction, that is, to find out this equivalent we have to find out LCM of the denominator. LCM of 7 and 5 here is 35, and so 7 into 5 is equal to 35, 5 into 7 is equal to 35. As we are multiplying 5 here with denominator, so we have to multiply it with numerator also, so 3 upon 7 into 5 upon 5, which is equal to 15 upon 35. In the same way, here if we are multiplying 7 with denominator, with numerator also we have to multiply by 7, so 4 upon 5 into 7 upon 7 is equal to 28 upon 35. So therefore this 3 upon 7 is equal to 15 upon 35. 4 upon 5 is equal to 28 upon 35. So 3 upon 7 15 upon 35, 4 upon 5 is 28 upon 35. Then these both are now like fraction. We can add it, 35 as it is, 15 plus 28, 43 upon 35 is the answer. Now let us see one example of subtraction also. Let us subtract, suppose 7 1 upon 4 minus 5, suppose pi 7 upon 9. Now these both are again unlike fraction. These are, though they are mixed number, but their denominator are not same, so they are unlike fraction. First we have to convert, if they are in mixed number, first we have to convert it into improper fraction. So 7 4 is 28 plus 1 we can convert like this: 7 4 are 28 plus 1 upon 4 minus 5 into 9 plus 7 upon 9. So this will be 7 4 are 28 plus 1 29 upon 4 minus, this will be 5 9 are 45 plus 52 upon 9, 52 upon 9. Now these both are again unlike fraction, we need to convert it. So to convert it, we need to find out LCM of 4 and 9 is equal to, LCM of 4 and 9 is 36. So 29 by 4 is equal to 29 by 4 into 9 अपॉन 9, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमें 36 लाना है तो इसको 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो 29 को भी हमें 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. When we multiply 29 with 9, it will be 9 9 is 81 and 2 8 2 9 is 6 26 261 upon 36. Now the same way 52 by 9 is equal to 52 upon 9 into, here it will be 4 upon 4 which is equal to 36 here, then 52 upon 4, 52 upon 4, that is 2 4 the 8, 2 4 the 8 and 5 4 the 20, so it will be 208 upon 36. So now we can say 29 by 4 minus 52 by 9 is equal to, 29 by 4 is 261 upon 36 minus 208 upon 36. This will be equal to 261 minus 208, 261 minus 208, 1 minus 8, 261 minus 208 upon 36. So 261 minus 208, 261 minus 208 is equal to 1 minus 8, so 3 5, 53 upon 36, 53 upon 36. So this will be the answer, 53 upon 36. Now you can also convert this into improper fraction also. So this will be, when you convert it into improper fraction, 36 1s are 36, 36 2s are 72. So it is always 53 is one time only, so 36 1s are 36. Then what remain is 4 plus 10, so 17 upon 36. So this will be the answer, 117 upon 36. Again here also we had done the same thing. These are in mixed numbers, so first we had converted into the improper fraction. Now this both has different denominator, so first we need to convert into like fraction. To convert it into like fraction, we need to find out LCM. After getting the LCM, we just have to multiply it. For example, LCM is 36. So to get here denominator 36, 29 by 4 should multiply by 9. The same way, denominator if multiplying by 9, numerator also multiply by 9. So it is 261, 4 into 9, 36. 52, the same way, 52 into 4, 9 into 4, 208, 36. So in same way we will get the answers. It is 53 upon 36, that is equal to 117 upon 36. Now let us begin exercise 7.6. In exercise 7.6, question number first is solve. In that first one, A is 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 7. 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 7. So we need to solve it. Now to solve it, first we have to find out the LCM of 3 and 7. LCM of 3 and 7 is equal to 21. LCM of 3 and 7 is equal to 21. So now we need to convert this. 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into 7 upon 7, which is equal to 14 upon 21. In the same way, 1 by 7 is equal to 1 by 7 into 3 upon 3, which is equal to 3 upon 21. So now we can say that 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7 is equal to, this 2 by 3 is 14 upon 21 plus 3 upon 21, 14 upon 21 plus 3 upon 21, which is equal to 14 plus 3 upon 21, which is equal to 14 plus 3, that is equal to 17 plus 21. So in this way we will get the answer as we had done. First we will find out the LCM, then we convert them into the like fraction, and then we simply add it. Let us see B1. B1 is 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15. Now here it is 3 by 10 and 7 by 15. Again we need to find out LCM of LCM of this 10 and 15 is equal to, LCM of 10 and 50 is equal to 30. Now therefore 3 by 10 is equal to 3 by 10 into 3 upon 3, which is equal to 9 upon 30, and 7 by 15 is equal to 7 upon 15 into 2 upon 2, which is equal to 14 upon 30. So now we can say that now 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15 is equal to, 3 by 10 is over 9 by 30 plus 14 by 30, 9 plus 14 upon 30, which is equal to 9 plus 14, which is equal to 23 upon 30. So again here also the same thing, LCM of 10 and 15 is 30, so 10 3s are 30, 15 2s are 30. So here we have to multiply by 3, so numerator also multiply by 3. Here we had multiply by 2, so numerator also multiply by 2. 3 by 10 will become 9 by 30, 7 by 15 will become 14 by 30, and so the answer is 9 plus 14, that is 23 upon 30. Now let us see question number G. In question number G it is given 3 by 4, 1 by 3. Sign is not given, so we will keep minus sign. In question number G, question number H, question number M and question number N, sign is not given, and so we will put there minus sign. So 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. This B, the C, D, E, F you can do by yourself. We are doing here G. 3 by 4 minus 1 upon 3. So again here also the same thing, we have to first find out LCM of 4 and 3 is equal to 12. LCM is 12, so therefore 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 into 3 upon 3, which is equal to 9 by 12. 1 by 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 into 4 upon 4, which is equal to 4 by 12. So now we can say that 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3 is equal to, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 9 by 12 minus 4 by 12, which is equal to 9 minus 4 upon 12, 9 minus 4 upon 12, which is equal to 5 upon 12. So here also again we had done the same thing, the denominator are not same, we had finding LCM. LCM is 12, so convert this 3 by 4 and 1 by 4, 1 by 3 in such a way that the denominator should be same, that is 12. So we have to multiply it by 3, so numerator also we had multiply by 3. In the same way here 3 multiplied by 4, so numerator also multiply by 4, so it is 4 by 12. So 3 by 4 and 1 by 3, so 3 by 4 here is 9 by 12, 1 by 3 is 4 by 12. So when we subtract it, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So the answer is 5 by 12. Now let us see K. In K it is given 1 by 3 plus 3 2 by 3. It is very simple. 1 by 3 plus 3 1 by 3. This if you continue then it will be 3 1 ja 3 plus 1. So 4 by 3 plus 3 3 ja 9 plus 11 by 3. So 4 by 3 plus 11 by 3. So 4. Here this both are like fraction. So 4 plus 11 upon 3, which is equal to 15 upon 3. Now 15 upon 3 is equal to 5. So the answer is 5 here. In the same way, let us do the L1. L1 is 4 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 4. 4 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 4. First we need to convert them into improper fraction. 3 4 is 12 plus 2. 14 by 3 plus 3 4 is 12 plus 1. 13 by 4. Now LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. Therefore 14 by 3 is equal to 14 by 3 into 4 upon 4, which is equal to 14 4 ja 14 4 ja 4 4 ja 16, 56 upon 12, and then 13 by 4 is equal to 13 by 4 into 3 upon 3, 13 3 ja 39 by 12. So now we can write 14 by 3 plus 13 by 4, which is equal to 14 by 3 here is 56 upon 12 plus 39 upon 12, which is equal to 56 plus 39 upon 12, which will be equal to 6 plus 9, that is 5. 6 plus 95 upon 12, which we can also convert it into improper fraction. Then it will be 95 upon 12, so 12 7 is 84, then 11 upon 12. So here also again we had done the same thing. First we will find out the LCM, then denominator, make the denominator same, and then we just simply subtract it or simply add it. So the answer is 95 upon 12, which when we convert it into this mixed number, that will be 7 11 upon 12. Now let us see some word problem. Question number 2 here is Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita bought 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of ribbon they bought? So here we will see length of ribbon bought by, first here it is Sarita is equal to 2 by 5. In the same way, length of ribbon bought by, second one here is Lalita. Lalita is equal to, is given 3 by 4 meter. Here also it is 2 by 5 meter. Here it is 3 by 4 meter. And we have to find out what is the total length of ribbon they bought. So total length of ribbon they bought is equal to 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4 है ना. Therefore total length of ribbon they bought is equal to 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Now these both are unlike fraction, therefore LCM of 5 and 4 is equal to 20. LCM is equal to 20, so therefore 2 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5 into 4 upon 4, which is equal to 8 by 20, and 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 into 5 upon 5, which is equal to 15 by 20. And now we can say that 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 8 by 20 plus 15 by 20, which is equal to 23 by 20. 23 by 20. Here also we had done the same thing as we do there. Okay, so answer is 23 by 20 meter. So we can write here, so they brought 23 by 20 meter of ribbon they bought. Now question number 3, 4, 5 that you can do yourself. Question number 4 and 5 that you have to do in the textbook only. Let us see question number 6. Question number 6 here is a piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into 2 pieces. है ना. So total length of wire, it is given 7 by 8 meter. Now one of the piece was 1 by 4 meter long. So length of one piece of wire is equal to 1 by 4 meter. What we have to find out is how long is the other piece. So therefore length of other piece of wire is equal to 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4 meter. Now again these both are not same, so therefore we can find out LCM of 8 and 4 is equal to 8. LCM of 8 and 4 is equal to 8. Therefore 7 by 8 will remain as it is. 7 by 8, yes, is equal to 7 by 8. This will remain as it is because here the denominator is 8 which we need. Then 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 into 2 upon 2, which is equal to 2 by 8. So now we can say that 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8, which is equal to 7 minus 2 upon 8, which is equal to 7 minus 2 upon 8, which is equal to 5 by 8. 5 by 8 meter. So the other piece is 5 by 8 meter long. We can say that the other piece is 5 by 8 meter long. Here also we had done the same thing as we are doing in subtraction. First we will find out the LCM and then we will subtract it. Now let us see question number 8. Question number 8 is Asha and Samuel have bookshelf of the same size partly filled with books. Now Asha and Samuel here given they have a bookshelf of same size partly filled with book. Asha's shelf is 5 by 6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2 by 5 full. Whose bookshelf is more full? Now first here we need to compare it. So first let us write Asha's shelf it is given is equal to 5 by 6. Then it is given Samuel's shelf it is given 2 by 5th, 2 by 5th. Now when we need to compare it, we need denominator should be same. Okay, so first we need to compare it, that is 5 by 6 and 2 by 5. So LCM of 6 and 5 is equal to 30. LCM of 6 and 5 is equal to 30. Therefore 5 by 6 is equal to 5 upon 6 into 5 upon 5, which is equal to 25 upon 30, and 2 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5 into 6 upon 6, which is equal to 12 upon 30. So here when we compare 25 by 30, 12 upon 30, so we find out that 25 by 30 is greater than 12 upon 30. It means that 5 by 6 is greater than 2 upon 5. So we can say that whose bookshelf is more full. So we can say that, so Asha's bookshelf is, so we can say that Asha's bookshelf is more full. Now we have to also find out by what fraction. So Asha's bookshelf is more full and by what fraction. So again now we can say, now Asha's bookshelf is more by fraction is equal to, what we have to do here, subtraction, that is 25 minus 30, 25 upon 30 minus 12 upon 30, which is equal to 25 minus 12 upon 30, which is equal to 13 upon 30. So we can say that Asha's bookshelf is more by 13 upon 30. You can easily say that Asha's bookshelf is more full by 13 upon 30. Here we can write more full by 13 upon 30. So here we end our exercise 7.6, and here we end our chapter also, chapter 7. The remaining question is your homework. You have to do by yourself. Thank you.